Hi guys! Welcome back to another YouTube video makeup tutorial. And I bet that you didn't expect this because I just uploaded a video 2 days ago and now I'm back again. As much as you are excited, I am too because I really wanted to make my YouTube channel more active than it has been the past 2 years. So I will try to upload at least every 3 days or at least twice a week. So it starts today and I'm not sure what will happen when I already start having school, but at least my goal is a video every week. Since I have already declared this to my YouTube channel, I hope that this will be a regular thing and I hope that it will be steady so I could go on with my plans and making my channel flourish. Please enjoy the rest of the video. I start with foundation and I mix it with aloe vera to make it more sheer looking for a light coverage. I'm going to dab all over my face using a beauty sponge and just make sure that it's blended naturally since it is an everyday look. For my brows, I'm gonna be doing it regularly like I always do every day, just following my natural brow shape and filling it in. For me, there are no methods. I'm just playing around with my brows. I'm just filling it in and I do it again until I'm happy with the way it looks. Next, I'm putting concealer around my brows to give it a cleaner edge. For the eyes, I'm using the same palette, the Berries BYS eyeshadow palette, and I'm starting off with a white base shade. This next orange shade as a lid topper, and I'm just applying it all over my lower lid to give it a little bit of depth. I use the darkest brown shade to line my lower lid and maybe give it a little wing too. A light lavender shade to top all over the orange to tone it down a bit. I decided to use some mascara and I think that about 2 coats are enough. I made it a thing to put concealer under the eyes after doing the eye makeup so that it will leave my eye makeup brighter and I wouldn't have to worry about it after again. So that's what I'm doing now and I'm just blending it in. I don't usually contour my nose, but I wanted to make it look 3D for the camera. I'm using this light brown shade from the Peripera Multi Ink. I'm doing this to tone down the dark shadow a bit and make it more natural looking. My lips are a bit dry, so I apply lip balm before I put any lip product on. And I'm just making sure that it has no creases. If you've noticed, I love Peripera products, so I'm using this tint from Peripera again, and it's in the shade Redbean Press. I mainly focus the application in the inner part of my lips and I blend it out with my fingers. I apply a thin layer of lip gloss to give it a little bit of shine. I'm using the same lip tint for my cheek as a blush, and I'm just applying it with my fingers. I don't want it to be too red, so I just apply it very lightly to give my face a little bit of life. I can never forget highlighter, so I'm using the lightest shade and just apply it on top of my cheekbones so that it catches the light. When we're done with that, I apply setting spray to seal all the makeup. I fan it out to dry on my face. But just before it gets completely dry, I apply my favorite loose powder and put it on the parts of my face that are seemingly too shiny. Just some final touch-ups and I'm done.
That's good.
So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Like if you like this type of content, comment when you have other suggestions on what I could do to my channel, and subscribe if you want to see more of me. Thank you all for watching. See you next video. Bye!